Have you ever wondered how money is actually made? The journey begins with this ordinary cotton, soon to...
All units, package secure. Proceed with unloading.
Okay, driver, hold it right there. Perfect.
Looks good. Approved for processing.
Batch 742-A confirmed.
Sequence initiated.
Final ID check passed.
Hydraulic clamps engaged. Blades initializing.
As the bale enters the feeding station, giant synchronized rollers begin pulling the fibers. We now
Impurity levels are dropping significantly. We are maintaining target throughput. The beaters are clear.
The consistency readings are holding steady right here.
Yes, the flow rate is perfect for the next phase.
The sensors show optimal thickness here. And the robotic arm just completed the latest sample. Batch 47 confirmed.
All systems green, proceeding to reactor.
The fibers disappear into the hopper before entering the giant reactor, where purified water circulates vigorously as the mixing cycle begins.
Monitor the temperature in loop 4.
It's within parameters, stabilizing at 985.
Consistency readings are stable at 98%. Good.
Maintain current agitation levels.
Pressure gauges look nominal.
All parameters are within tolerance. Density and moisture balance confirmed. System indicates green. Open the transfer valves.
Pressure holding steady at 50 psi. Flow rate is optimal.
Confirmed. Adjusting intake valve now.
The consistency is stabilizing right on target. We can increase the flow rate now.
The precision-engineered headbox evenly distributes a perfectly controlled curtain of cotton pulp across the high-speed forming.
Check the sensor readings on Sector 4.
Confirmed. All parameters are optimal for the transition.
The flow rate on the left side is slightly elevated. Adjust the vacuum pressure accordingly.
Confirmed. Making the adjustment now.
Go. The partially dewatered paper web enters an advanced vacuum dewatering chamber. Powerful vacuum
The UV distribution on the far left sensor.
Looks consistent. Quality control is green across the board.
Registration is holding steady at 99.8%.
And the color density on the cyan looks perfect.
Calibration is holding steady across all units.
Confirmed. We are clear for the next phase.
Airflow stable at 45 degrees, humidity holding steady. Web tension adjusted. We are clear for the inspection phase.
Scan indicates 0 defects on sheet 4B.
The alignment systems are performing flawlessly under UV.
The watermark visibility is stable at 99.8%.
And the fiber distribution is optimal.
Verification successful. Module clear.
Look at the fluctuation on Sector 7. The algorithm is compensating in real time.
Look at the edge quality metrics.
Flawless across the board. The new servos are performing perfectly.
All optical and dimensional checks passed successfully. The registration is perfect. Agreed. Proceed with the approval.
We begin Topic 7, Screen Printing of Security Inks. The first layer of raised security ink is applied with incredible precision.
Tactile registration is perfect.
Confirmed. Color shift is stable across all sheets.
Check the registration on plate 3.
Looks stable. Temperature is holding steady at 25 Celsius.
These precision rollers stabilize the RAID's security features, ensuring every detail remains crisp and durable.
The third intaglio station uses giant engraved steel cylinders and thousands of tons of pressure to apply the fine security details.
Batch sequence 7 confirmed.
Alignment is holding steady. We are clear for press run.
Real-time statistics confirm microscopic precision.
All systems synchronized and stable.
Final inspection. Batch pass confirmed.
Excellent. The numbers look solid.
Security coding complete. We are clear for coating.
Acknowledged. Speed looks optimal.
Coating thickness holding steady at 0.05 millimeters.
Viscosity levels are perfect. Temperature stable.
How are the gloss sensors looking?
Everything green across the board. The AI just approved the batch.
The scan on batch 47 is complete.
Surface integrity holding at 99.8%. All green. Now entering the final inspection and precision cutting department, where AI ensures every sheet is perfect before the final cut.
The Giant AI inspection system performs comprehensive quality verification. Ultra-high
The finished Euro banknote stacks enter a high-speed edge inspection station. Ultra-high-resolution cameras and precision laser scanners inspect every note.
Live count just past 1.5 million for this batch. Everything looks stable.
Bundles routing to Vault Sector Gamma. Ensure all protocols are observed. Cycle complete. Alignment verified. All packages authenticated. Sequence complete.
The current pallet is almost complete.
The tracking data confirms perfect alignment on layer 7.
The tension reading here looks good. We're maintaining optimal wrap force.
Confirmed. The stability metrics are green across the board.
Checkpoint 4 cleared. Vault doors initiating sequence.
Confirmed. Transport is secure.
Automated storage sequence complete. All systems nominal. The vault is secured.